Alright, what is going on YouTube? So today we'll be checking out the True Mods headlights for a 2004 Chevy Silverado. I think it's from like 2002 to 06. And they look pretty nice. I haven't seen any reviews on these headlights, so I was like, might as well make a video. But here they are. As you see, the ones that I have right now they're the originals. There's moisture building up here, so hopefully these new headlights make it look better. And one thing I would recommend is disconnecting the negative, just in case. All right guys, headlights are out, old ones are out. So the top ones, they just have a pin, this pin that you gotta remove, and then the bottom one, you gotta kind of push this little tab in and then push it out towards this way, and then vice versa on the other way. Should be pretty easy. And then just disconnect all the lights that you have. Yes, I'm about to connect these lights, but I've been looking online and it says to put some dielectric grease on them. This is a silicone paste, but it says a waterproof dielectric grease. So when you add some to that, just add some to the metal pins here on each one of these, even the side marker one. The brown one was the turn signal light. There's a white one here is the daytime running light. Usually the daytime one is on the left, so I'm not sure if you guys got the same color, but the left one is usually the daytime. The top light, the high beam goes with the gray socket here, and the low beam goes with this black one. I'm gonna connect it, and I'm gonna put some dielectric grease on these pins here. And I said these cables, I wasn't sure what they were for. I thought there was a separate connection on the truck itself, but it actually connects from the bottom light to the top light. You see here? Nah, it should be the same for the other side, so let me do that, and then we'll see how they look. Alright guys, so I just noticed when I was installing this, what is it, the side marker light, it's kind of loose. And these headlights come with this little friction tape, so just wrap it around there. Let me do that real quick and I'll show you guys. Alright, now with the friction tape, there we go, that's how it should look. It's probably too much tape, but it's cool. You see I'm trying to pull it, but it doesn't come off, so. Alright guys, all four is put on. That's how they look. Of course, I'll take the plastic off here in a bit. Yeah, they look pretty nice. But let's see how they look when they turn on, right? Go, baby. Alright, there we are guys. Let's take this plastic off. See how they look. This is the beauty of the... Oh man, look at that. Nice. It's kind of reflecting a lot, but look at that baby. Oh my lord. I like it. These off. Oh shit, the plastic got stuck a little bit. That'll be alright. That'll be alright. Take it off another day. You know what? This looks kind of nice, guys. What y'all think? In a bit, we'll turn it on. See how it looks. Alright, guys. So I had an issue with once I installed the lights. The DRLs weren't turning on at all, and I was messing with everything, messing with the fuses, messing with the wiring, but it turned out the socket itself was actually burnt. And on these, I'm not sure what years it is, but for the 04s, the DRL lights always tend to burn out, so it's a good idea to switch them. Got these off of Amazon, a 2-pack for like $7, well, $8 with tax. Yeah, you just might as well get some new ones. Alright guys, this is with the new socket. The new socket for the bulb. Got some tape around that thing. That should hold up. That's how it looks on the other side. About to tape this side as well. Get a little closer. Shit, hold on. Oh shit. There you go. That's how it should look. And yeah, now they should both turn on. The DRLs are all four, I mean. And then the only thing I did see that I didn't mention in the video is with this resistor, we gotta be careful that all the wires aren't pushing up on it, because I guess it's a little sensitive. with the pins in there. I'm not sure how the other side looks, but yeah, just try to keep the wires away from it. And yeah, let me just tape this up and then I'll show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, there we go. Yeah, it's on now. The high beams there. DRLs, there we go. There we go guys. Close the hood. How it looks. Check it out. I like it. I might fuck around and put these on next. That looks good there for now. Yeah, those sockets, guys. I'll show you. Those sockets are the what made my DRLs not work. That's good. It is in the dark, guys. I can't really see there. Guys, well, that's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If I missed anything, let me know in the comments. I'll try to make an update video in a few months, see how they hold up, and all the products I used in the video. I'll leave the link in the description. So yeah, if you guys want to help out the channel, use those links below. Don't cost anything extra, but just helps me out a little bit to make more videos and stuff. Alright guys, feel free to leave me a like and subscribe and comment down below. We'll see you guys on the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed.